Boys, what's good? Back with another trade recap. Been slacking on these, won't lie, but we're back. First of all, let me just fucking change these. Alright, first one. You might have seen my video already. If you haven't, then this is going to be more in depth. I was leading pretty bearish on the day. We had a high time frame SMT. I'm pretty sure it was at these 1 hour highs. It was somewhere here. Maybe it was high. Maybe it was 30. I don't know. There was an SMT somewhere there. So it was putting me bearish. So, coming bearish into today, market open was, let me just get here. That was market open there. Right off market open, we came up into, where the fuck is my shit here? Came up into this 15. And I was loving this. Came up into this 15, we took out the whole thing. If we inversed it, then I would have been worried, but this was a 15-minute candle, so I knew that we most likely weren't going to go higher. So, there was this 5-minute, let me turn this off. This 5-minute presented itself. Small, but still works. I was fucking, honestly, after seeing this, I was like, fuck. This is just like a shit entry. I'm not going to take this trade. And then we didn't do it, but then we done this. We burst it just a tiny bit. So I was like, yeah, sweet. Took it there. That was my entries. Had stops just above these highs here in this gap. And I was targeting an unfilled 4 hour here, which was this one just here. You're not even going to be able to see that. Give me a second. This one just here. Bro. That was the gap just there. So it was a pretty good trade. It would have been a fucking crazy R. 3.5 R, which is pretty good for inverse gaps. That was the first one, but I went break even at this low just here. Because this one was in a 15-minute gap. As you see here, it was in this 15-minute. And two, why I went break even before it tapped was because we had it SMT with ES. ES swept it and NQ didn't. So that was my break even. I went about 2 ticks in profit. Oh, what is it? It like just stopped me out. 4 ticks in profit. Just to secure some money. Stopped me out and then fucking ran. So that was okay annoying. But look, I overall I managed that pretty fucking good in my eyes. Second trade was a long, even with that high time frame SMT, but it was for a reason, right? It wasn't just off nothing. I took the entry here, so we had a 3-minute inversion. I had stops just at this low. Actually, no, first it was here, and then I moved them. Just at this low, and I was targeting the 50% of this, so it's like, what's it? Equilibrium of this range. Just targeting that there. So this is my TP. And would have got stopped out, right? Would have got stopped out, but we had an unfilled 5 just here. And I think that was a 15 as well. Yeah, that's a 15 as well. So NQ went, ES had an SMT at this high again on this candle here. We tapped it on this candle. So I moved my stops to this wick just here. Stopped me out. Would have fully stopped me out. So it was that was overall good manage. But if I went all the way down, we would have been chill. But got stopped out at break even. Well, in profit, it was 17 ticks in profit, so not bad. But we would have ran. This could have been a really fucking good day. I could have, if I took both of these, which I wouldn't have. Like if this one banged first, then I would have been done for the day. But it could have been a really good day. I could have passed all my fucking evals on alpha. But look, maybe there is something to learn here. Overall, I think these were pretty good trades because here as well, sorry, we're delivering out of this 30-minute. So again, it wasn't off nothing. Balanced the 30-minute, and then we tapped it, and we had a fucking really nice recovery off it. So I was like, yeah, sweet. Like, this is a fucking grouse setup. Like, it just, like, it looked fucking grouse. So I took it. And would have smashed. But no. Yeah, it's just got so... oh, fuck. Apologies. Getting fucking sick. But yeah, that were the trades. 2 brutal break-evens. Look, it's better than a loss. Maybe I'm going to journal these, obviously. See if I can learn anything from this. But overall, I think these were managed good. But yeah, that's the trades I took for London. I'm going to get more consistent with these videos as well. I will. I haven't really been trading much recently, so there hasn't been much to film, much to take. I've been really fucking busy, but we're back at it. I'm going to start pumping these out. And I'll see you all tomorrow, hopefully, for another trade recap. Hopefully, fuck, can't cross my fingers. Fingers crossed it's a fucking dub, because I'm due for a dub. I've just been getting smoked.